citizens, he began. I've long admired your dedication to living a residue-free lifestyle, and I'm here to give it back to you this day.
Hooray!
I'm afraid your town has come under attack. I've been tracking the trail of my arch nemesis, Dr. Stain, and his hard-watered daughter for years, and this is clearly their doing. They've come in when you least expect them, and they leave entire cities in an opaque wake of sullied showers, toilets, sinks, countertops, solar panels, and yes, even windows.
Oh no! Not the windows! Save our windows, Hardwater Stain hero!
Hardwater stains can easily be defeated through concentrated application of specialized cleaning supplies or by calling the professional window cleaning team at Bright and Clean Windows. Take that knowledge into your bright and clean future. To further ward off Dr. Stain and his ilk, I would strongly urge you to consider installation of diamond fusion nanotechnology for all your silica-based kitchen and bathroom surfaces.